Hey guys, today we're starting a video completely differently because since I have limited space in my room, we are doing this on the floor. And as you can see here, we have the MSI MAG series, the CH, sorry, not the GH, CH110 gaming chair from MSI. And I'm going to do a short time-lapse video how to assemble it and everything. If you have any questions, put them below, and I will of course answer them as always, and then going to give some opinion on the chair. So guys, see you very soon. Okay guys, so we did it. There's one thing that I did miss, and that is never complicate your building. And it doesn't relate only on furniture, it relates on PC, so always read the manual. And the one thing that I did wrong was placing this upside down, just because I was doing it like this. First you need to do everything before you place it on the 5-star handle and the wheels. So guys, I think this is it. It's really comfortable chair. And check this out. You have this, you have this, you have this. So both of them have. So you have 3 levers, 3 buttons. Well, 1 lever for this and 2 buttons for I already shown you. You have a back pillow that will actually nicely give support for your back, and you have something for your neck as well. This is the AMD Ryzen edition, so it's kind of really cool because you have the AMD Ryzen logo here, you have the MSI logo here, you have True Gaming black and red, leatherette, I think it's leatherette, and you have this decoration with carbon fiber, let's say leather. It's really nice to have something like that. 5 wheels at the bottom, and the whole 5-star chassis is metal, of course. Let me just see if I can go even lower. Now this is it. So okay, you have the ability to push it back. Without a doubt, you can push it even further. Oh, that was rush one. Okay, here we go. And you have the ability to put it up or down. I mean guys, this is very simple. This is the MSI MAG series, the CH110 gaming chair, and as you can see it's fairly easy to place it. One thing that I would suggest, even though it says here to place the wheels on the 5-star chassis, to put the wheels when the 5-star chassis is upside down, just press it a bit, all 5 of them, turn it around and then click each of them, because that's what I did. I tried to first do it upside down. Yeah, turn it around, then do it, and it will be much easier. As I said, the chair is comfortable. I would only remove this because I don't use that, but for your neck I think that will be quite alright, even if, I don't know, maybe you're taller than me, so this will be actually for your back and not your neck, but still. So guys, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and well, see you next time. I'll put the links below where you can maybe find the MAG CH110 gaming chair, and well, that's all there is to it. Links are below, check it out. See you next time guys in the new video. Thanks and bye bye.